Number of big stories out of the U.S. Supreme Court tonight, including one justice retiring. We'll get to that in just a minute. But first, a ruling from the High Court on unions that set off a number of protests in Connecticut today.
News 8's Bob Wilson covered one of those protests. A lot of unions in the state are angry. Bob.
Yeah, the Supreme Court ruling says basically if you're in a public union, you do not have to be, if you work for the public, like the state or federal government, you do not have to be in the union to enjoy union benefits, especially when they start negotiating those contracts. They were angry, frustrated. They say it undermines the union. Union members today say they have a history of fighting, and they're not going to stop fighting now.
Union leaders and membership stood on the front steps of the state Supreme Court chanting, angry at the High Court's ruling that public workers for state and federal government do not have to join a union.
We've been targeted to silence our voice so that there's only one voice heard at all levels of government, and they were successful.
The Connecticut president of the AFL-CIO says they have known for a while that this decision could be coming, so they have planned to head for it and have gone back to a grassroots campaign.
Rank and file member talking to rank and file member about the importance of a union, that it's, as Shelley said, the you and I in union is about us on the shop floor.
So there's always the saying, there's strength in numbers, and as you can see, they have large numbers here, but they're wondering what that Supreme Court ruling is going to do to their membership. Is it going to erode it away? Are their numbers going to dwindle, which means there's less power in negotiations? Or as one union member said, we're not going away, we're only going to get stronger because of this ruling.
We all support the union, and we know that we're bigger than this. So we're all connected to stay together and to fight together. In unity, my brothers, in unity.
And many of the people on the courthouse steps, the nurses and firefighters and police officers and healthcare workers, they say that court ruling hurts the unions, but it also hurts the community.
But it's so much bigger than just us, as union members. It's our communities, it's our families, it's middle class, underserved, underrepresented people.
Now, there are always two sides of the story. We did talk to a couple lawmakers who said, you know what, this could bring the balance of power back. They believe unions are too strong. They have too large a pensions, and it's hurting the state. And they think maybe this could be level the playing field. I'm Bob Wilson, reporting live in the Hartford Newsroom, News 8.